from 25 rupees a kilo to nearly 60 in just weeks. India's most politically sensitive vegetable is once again threatening to burn a hole in your kitchen budget. Ahead of the festive season, onion prices they are surging sharply across India. National average retail prices they've climbed 45% year on year to 42 rupees per kilogram, with Delhi touching 65 rupees and Chennai hitting 58 rupees. In wholesale markets, the prices are up a staggering 118% compared to last year. So the question is, what exactly is going wrong? First, that India it is running through its stored Rabi onions, the crop which is harvested around March and April that normally supplies the market until October. But the weather it has complicated things. Unseasonal rains and hailstorms damage the quality of stored onions, particularly in Maharashtra, meaning that the usable stocks that are getting tighter just when the country needs them the most. Then comes in the second problem. The next crop it is delayed. Delayed monsoon sowing has pushed back Kharif onion arrivals from Maharashtra, while supplies from the southern states they have also been delayed. And the point is, when old stocks are disappearing before the fresh onions can arrive, prices they are bound to move up quickly. Wholesale markets they are already showing that pressure. Average onion prices reached nearly 2900 rupees per quintal on August 18, more than double the level it was seen a year earlier. To control the damage, the center it has raised the procurement price by over 108%, from 12.70 rupees to 26.45 rupees per kilogram, though procurement still fell about 25% short of its 2 lakh ton target. To fast track the relief, the government is now running Kanda Express trains to transport buffer stock from Nashik directly to Delhi, Chennai, Kochi, and Guwahati. But the question is, will this immediately bring down the prices? Answer is not necessarily. The government it can release more onions into the market, but again, it only provides temporary relief. A real cooling in the prices, it will depend on fresh kharif onions reaching the markets in good quantity. And that is why the next few weeks of rainfall and crop arrivals, they remain very crucial for India. Till then, that everyday tadka, curry and salad, it may continue to cost you noticeably more. For all the latest updates on onion prices, inflation and everything affecting your pocket, subscribe to Zero Noise.